Welcome back, everyone. In DigiCut 2.3, we now have a mirror and copy and paste function. With the template selected on the artboard, simply press the mirror horizontal or vertical to copy and reflect a template for the other side. In this example, I want to add a ½ inch to the bottom of the front roll-ups. Since I don't want to make the edit twice, I simply use the resize button on the left roll-up, then mirror that template over. You can also right-click or use the edit menu at the top of the screen. In this case, I just right-click and select Copy, then Paste. The standard keyboard commands also work: Command-C and V for Mac, Control-C and V for Windows. That's all for now. We'll see you next time.